A jury has just given you $200 million, and you feel that is fully justified. But within moments, the defense attorney stands up and says something to the judge that's going to infuriate you. Would you like to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this remarkable information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. You've just won an incredible verdict. The jury has determined that you're entitled to a massive amount of compensation. And now, the first thing that you hear moments after the jury verdict, by the way, you are elated, you're feeling great. But now, watch what happens. The defense attorney gets up and tells the judge, Your Honor, at this time I ask that the court throw out the jury's verdict as being against the weight of the evidence. Now, what does that mean? It means that the defense attorney is going to do everything possible to get that jury verdict dismissed, claiming that it's not supported by the evidence in your case. Now, in all likelihood, the judge may entertain a little bit of legal argument and legal discussion right then and there after the jury is discharged. And now he's going to ask the defense attorney, Counselor, why do you believe that the evidence does not support this particular verdict? And now the attorney has to give an explanation. Then he will turn to the plaintiff's attorney, the injured victim, your attorney, to ask why he thinks that the verdict is appropriate. And in all likelihood, the judge is going to tell the attorneys, listen, I'm not going to decide this on oral argument. Instead, I want you both to submit papers to me, and then I'll have an opportunity to review the transcript, review every single inch of this case, and then make a determination as to whether or not I'm going to allow this verdict to stand. Now, you should know that weeks later, the judge will come to a decision about whether or not that incredible verdict is going to stand. And the judge has many options available. One of those options is to leave the verdict alone, to let the verdict stand, in which case the defense will then certainly go ahead and appeal it. The judge can also reduce that verdict, claiming that that amount is certainly not supported by the evidence, and instead, here's the amount that he believes is appropriate. The judge could also turn around and say, no, it's not appropriate, I'm going to throw the verdict out, go back and try this case all over again. Again, there are multiple options and variations of options that can occur. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you because moments after you get that verdict, you will be elated. You won't even know what happened, and within moments, you'll quickly realize that all of your emotions are going to turn on its head 180 degrees, and now you're going to get infuriated with the defense attorney for trying to throw out the verdict that the jury just determined that you're entitled to. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, again, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, one of the things I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at Oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.